A blizzard is a severe snowstorm. It is characterized by strong winds and low visibility. Blizzards are defined by winds exceeding 35 miles per hour. Visibility during a blizzard is reduced to less than a quarter mile. Blizzards form when cold air meets warm, moist air. The warm air rises, cools, and forms snow. Strong winds then blow the snow, creating a blizzard. Blizzards can cause dangerous travel conditions. Roads become slippery and visibility drops. They can also lead to power outages and damage to infrastructure. Understanding blizzards helps us prepare better. Always stay informed about weather conditions. Stay safe during a blizzard by staying indoors and having emergency supplies ready.